So we've all seen that one game Animal Hospital, right? On Roblox. I've noticed nearly no one actually joins a match in public lobbies. But when they do wanna foot things happen, either one, they aren't in my chat age group. 2, they leave the second they join. 3, they are a squeaker that uses VC and never chat bonus points if their mix sucks. Or for the rarest, they are none of the other ones, or chill can communicate with you. And the game isn't even that fun, it's overrated and too easy. Anyways, cats out.